Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 5 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down and find System and Update. Then let's tap on Language and Region and tap on Edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose, so simply find yours and then tap on the plus icon next to it, just like that, and confirm it with yes. So now, from now on, our device will display everything in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can quickly reorder them to change the default language. Just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Confirm it. And now we've got English in my case applied. Of course, we can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove. And we've got only one language set. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.